The most effective way to get word out about the fundraiser is to place it in the obituary on your website. So we're going to learn how to do that today. We're going to get the link from the fundraiser first by clicking your name when you're logged in and My Funds underneath it. All of your fundraisers will pop up, the latest being on the last page. You can edit your fundraiser if you'd like, or you can just go directly to it by clicking these links on the left. And up at the top, you're going to see the direct link to your fundraiser. You're going to highlight it, right-click and copy, and now you have your link. So you're going to go back to your website. In the text box where you normally enter in the obituary to be published, you'll have this option. Now, you can directly paste the link in if you'd like, but it's usually very long and isn't as visually appealing as the way that I'm going to show you. But just so you can see, you can paste the link in there, it works. But we're going to take this out and we are going to highlight some text here that tells people to click here. And then up at the top, you see this link button, and up pops up a place where you can see the text. Click in here. We'll paste the link into the URL. Click open in a new tab if you can, which is the best, and then add the link. Looks a little long and weird, but stay with me. I'm going to show again. So you're going to highlight, you're going to go to the link, paste in your URL link, and add it. And then I'll show you what it looks like once it's published. So the text is highlighted and it's an active link that will take people directly to the fundraiser. In a different tab, which is great. Now, not all funeral home websites are the same. Not all text boxes are the same. So I'm going to show you another example here with this particular text box. It's shown as a chain link, which is very common. So you're going to highlight your text, click that chain, paste in your URL and apply it. Highlight the text, click the link, paste it in and apply it. And then we'll see what it looks like on this website. And these work. So that is how you add it to your obituary on your website. If you have any further questions or problems, you can always email us at info@tmcfunding.com. Thank you.